Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a very nice engine turned and enameled RONSON Princess two-tone enameled lighter, or two-toned tortoise, I should say. So it's actually multicolor there within each scheme or pattern. Very nice looking. So very dark. Looks tortoise to me. It could be brown and worn, but it appears to me to be the same dark. I believe that's what that's sort of multi-tone color like that is called, is tortoise. You have a lighter shade or tone here. On the back it appears very dark. The lighter is engraved DA. This particular RONSON Princess was made in Newark, New Jersey. Which is very common. But of course RONSON were made in other places, including England. And I think at least at another one or two other places in New Jersey. It has the patent 19023, which is very common. You see on many RONSONs, and you'll also see that on, I'm drawing a blank now. Can't remember, was that an Evans lighter that I saw that on? Seems like maybe there were some lawsuits involved at one point with a couple of different lighter companies, and that they ended up basically just licensing the patent to them. Not much to that fill screw. No spare flint compartment or anything like that. This is not the first enameled RONSON that I've had, and it's probably not the nicest. It does have scuffs, scrapes, you can see there, to the finish and to the paint. There might be some enamel loss, I don't know. Doesn't really look like it, but definitely some wear to the finish. But these RONSON lighters are they're just very business looking to me. They look to me like a kind of guy that took his smoking serious. A little more maybe demands a little more respect than something that you just flip out and it makes a funny noise. Just a joke. Very nice effect that gets with the working of the metal and the enamel. And I'm sure whoever DA was proud to carry this and light his cigarettes with it. I haven't lit anything with this one yet. I don't want to damage the paint any further than it might already be. But we'll see. I haven't sold it yet. It does function really well. If you enjoy watching videos about old Petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Copy that link, send it off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That would include Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Forgot to do that. Until next time.